Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we present the first installment of a three-part series on yoga poses for beginners. Whether you're new to yoga or just looking to refresh your practice, this series is designed to guide you through some basic poses to help you build strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. In each episode, we'll break down one pose at a time, showing you the proper form and alignment, and offering modifications to make the pose accessible to everyone. So join us as we explore the benefits of yoga and discover the power of breath, movement, and meditation. Namaste. Easy pose is a basic seated yoga posture that is suitable for all levels. To perform easy pose, start by sitting on the floor with your legs crossed. Straighten your spine and bring your shoulder blades together. Place your hands on your knees and relax your arms. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of easy pose include: helps to align the spine, strengthen the back muscles and improve overall posture. Can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Regular practice can help to increase flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles. By calming the mind and promoting relaxation, easy pose can improve concentration and focus. The gentle stretch in the hips and legs can help to improve digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Cobbler's pose is a seated yoga posture good for stretching the hips, groin, and inner thighs. To perform cobbler's pose, sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Bend your knees. Bring the soles of your feet together. Allow your knees to fall out to the sides. Hold on to your feet and gently press your knees towards the floor. Keep your spine straight and breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of cobbler's pose include: increases flexibility in the hips, groin, and inner thighs. Reduces stress and anxiety. Improves circulation to the lower body. Increases energy and reduce fatigue. The gentle pressure on the lower abdomen can help to stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Corpse pose is a fundamental yoga posture that is performed at the end of a yoga practice. To perform corpse pose, lie on your back with your arms and legs extended. Place your palms facing upward, a few inches away from your body. Relax your entire body, starting with your feet and working your way up to the top of your head. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of corpse pose include: promotes deep relaxation. Reduces stress and anxiety. Can improve sleep quality. Can increase flexibility in the muscles and joints. Can improve focus and concentration. Bridge pose is a yoga posture that strengthens the muscles of the back, hips, and legs, while stretching the chest and neck. To perform bridge pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your arms at your sides, with your palms facing down. Lift your hips off the floor, pressing into your feet and hands. Hold on to your ankles or the back of your thighs, and breathe deeply. The benefits of bridge pose include: strengthen the muscles of the back, hips, and legs. Stretching chest and neck during bridge pose improves the posture. Can help stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Can help to reduce back pain by strengthening back muscles. Can help increase energy and reduce fatigue. Knee to chest pose is a yoga posture that stretches the lower back, hips, and thighs, while helping to release tension in the spine. To perform knee to chest pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Bring one knee up to your chest, hugging it with both arms. Hold on to your knee, and breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. Repeat with the other knee. The benefits of knee to chest pose include: stretches the lower back, hips, and thighs. Help to reduce back pain. Can help to stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. The stretching in this pose improves circulation to the lower body. Reduces stress and anxiety. Happy baby pose is a yoga posture that gently stretches the hips, groin, and lower back, while promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. To perform happy baby pose, lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Reach up and grab the outside of each foot with your hands. Draw your knees down towards your armpits, and open your legs wide. Breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of happy baby pose include: helps to stretch the hips, groin, and lower back. Can help reduce stress and anxiety. Can help stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Can help reduce back pain. The stretching in this pose can improve circulation to the lower body. Cat-cow pose is a yoga posture that stretches the spine and neck, while promoting flexibility and relaxation. To perform cat-cow pose, start on your hands and knees, with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale and arch your back, lifting your tailbone and chest towards the ceiling. Exhale and round your spine, tucking your chin to your chest and bringing your tailbone towards your knees. Repeat several times, moving smoothly and gradually between the two positions. The benefits of cat-cow pose include: help stretch the spine and neck. Improves posture. Reduces stress and anxiety. Improves circulation and oxygenation of the tissues. And also, improve flexibility in the spine and neck. Downward facing dog pose is a yoga posture that stretches the whole body, while strengthening the arms, legs, and spine. To perform downward facing dog pose, start on your hands and knees. Lift your hips up and back, straightening your arms and legs, coming into an inverted V shape. Press your hands and feet into the ground, spreading your fingers and toes. Breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of downward facing dog pose include: stretches the whole body, including the spine, arms, legs, hips, and hamstrings. Help to improve posture. Reduce stress and anxiety. Improve circulation and oxygenation of the tissues. Helps to increase energy and invigorate the mind and body. Hero pose is a yoga posture that strengthens the knees and stretches the hips and thighs. To perform hero pose, start on your knees with your knees together and your shins flat on the floor. Sit back on your heels, keeping your big toes together. Place your hands on your knees and sit up tall, straightening your back. Breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of hero pose include: helps to stretch the hips and thighs. Improves posture. Reduces stress and anxiety. Can help to stimulate digestion and alleviate digestive discomfort. Improve the health and stability of the knees. Child's pose is a yoga posture that promotes relaxation, reduces stress and tension, and stretches the back and hips. To perform child's pose, start on your hands and knees with your wrists under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Slowly lower your hips back towards your heels, reaching your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the floor and breathe deeply, focusing on the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. The benefits of child's pose include: helps to stretch the back, hips, and legs. Improves posture. Reduces stress and anxiety. Helps to open up the chest and ribcage, making it easier to breathe deeply. Help to alleviate headaches. Note: if you have any medical conditions, consult with your doctor before practicing yoga. Start gradually and work within your limits, never pushing too far into the pose. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe for more video every week.